everyone, welcome to my channel. This is going to be my first video ever and I'm so excited to share this look with you. My name is Madi Kate for those of you who don't know me if you somehow stumbled across this video. This is going to be a pink base, soft and shiny, just really flirty look, and if you like this look please keep watching. Okay, let's get started. I'm just gonna put this little headband I like to use on, and it has hearts on it, so it's perfect. We have already cleansed our face and put some moisturizer on, and now I'm just gonna take this Milk Blur primer. It's gonna make me look even paler than I am, but I really like this primer because it's really sticky. I'm doing like a heavier foundation and it stays really well. We're just gonna rub that in really quick, just get that all in there. My foundation may look a little bit darker. I'm just gonna use this L'Oreal Pro Glow foundation, and this is a very cheap foundation. It's very full coverage. It has SPF. It covers my acne marks. I think it's very comparable to a lot of high-end foundations out there. I'm just gonna let that run down. As you can see, it's definitely darker. And then I'm gonna just take this beauty blender and just go ahead and dab that in really good, just so that it matches. I don't miss a spot and then I have a huge pale spot on my face. You should like start from like the center of your face and work it out, and I try to do that, but I don't know. Something about me just wants to like go everywhere. I do prefer using brushes for my foundation, but because I'm going for a more dewy and luminous look, I'm going to use a damp beauty blender because something about those darn things does just that. I'm going to take my Cosmetics Full Coverage airbrush and I'm just going to kind of buff that into the skin a little bit better so that it really blends in. This brush is my new favorite thing. It is so soft and it feels so good. I'm obsessed. Okay, so now that we're all blended out, I am now going to do my concealer, which is like my favorite part because I have really bad bags under my eyes. So I'm going to use the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I use like the palest color because I really like my under eyes to look bright and just really cover those. I'm gonna apply a bit of this. It really covers my under eyes. And I'm going to apply some on my eyelids as well. And I'm going to take an IT Cosmetics little concealer brush. I love to take it like on the side of my nose just a little bit. I was just doing like here before, but I just find it blends like up so well if you do it on your nose, and I think it makes your nose look a little bit slimmer too. And as you can see, my under eyes are looking so much better already. And this will like depend on your bone structure and the shape of your eye, but like I have a heart-shaped face and it works for me really well, at least doing it all the way out here, but some people just do like right here. That looks really, really good. And I'm gonna set it with my Mercier translucent powder. Sometimes I take it on this brush, but sometimes I take it on my beauty blender. Since I do want a more full coverage look today, I am going to go ahead and put my beauty blender in the powder and then apply it with my sponge because I think it makes it look way brighter. Set the eyes. Look how good that looks. I swear, this foundation just really makes me look so smooth and luminous, and I love it. I'm going to put that on the side of my nose a little, just really set that. Any little like leftover, I kind of just like dab it on my forehead and my T-zone. I'm just gonna let that sit for a minute. Take a fluffy brush, swipe it all off. You don't want it to stay on there too long, so I only wait a minute. Now, eyebrows. We'll see if I want to include this. I literally just got my eyebrows done, but my eyebrows are so different, and it drives me insane, but just remember, your eyebrows are not twins. They are like cousins to me. I mean, some people's are sisters, but mine are cousins. And I like this because it's pretty thin. I feel like eyebrows are like everyone's favorite thing to do, but if I could avoid it at all costs, I would. And then I'm gonna take the pomade. I have the lightest color in that. and the little brush that goes with it. I like making them look really smooth. And I'm just gonna fill in like my sparse spots or spots that are like more blonde. It's crazy. I don't get a ton on my brush. I'm really just working it in. We all have that one eyebrow that just like drives us crazy. This one's mine. Next, we're gonna go on to bronzer. I love this Hoola Benefit bronzer. I'm still kind of getting used to it. I used the Too Faced chocolate bronzer before. We'll see how this compares, but I'm gonna start on this side. I'm just gonna go in with this brush. I'm really not sure what type it is. I've had it for forever. I'm not gonna swoop it all the way up. I'm gonna just really accentuate my actual cheekbone. Going to like about here. I'm not going like all the way over here. It doesn't look like, you know, fake, but it still looks like, ooh. Going to add some of the Too Faced bronzer on top that I was talking about. I'm gonna use this Sun Bunny Dark. And I love adding that little bit of shimmer. Honey. We're going to go back in with the translucent powder, and we are gonna add some powder underneath. We're gonna bake. Since I didn't go all the way back, I'm just gonna put the product about right here. I'm gonna go ahead and do my blush. We're gonna do this quick because we don't want it to take too long and then like look like a permanent line. We are going to get this Merle Norman soft pink. I want just a little bit more pink, so I'm going to go in with this, which is really sweet and I love it. And wipe that off. That is looking pretty fire, if I do say so myself. There's no like super sharp line. You can really see my cheekbones now. I like to blend it not just straight across, I like to blend it down because I find that it looks better. So that's what I do. Next is highlighter. I'm going to be using the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector in Pearl. And I'm just gonna get this little fan brush and just sweep it across. I'm gonna get a bit of that. And if you have not tried this, 10 out of 10 recommend. It's the best in the game in my opinion. It's very, very pretty. Highest point. Love that. Right here on the other highest point, my go-to. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Yeah, you think I like highlighter? I'm gonna put some on my brow bone. My eyelashes are so light, and I'm so excited for the eyeshadow because I have not seen much about this particular product I'm about to show you. So cute. Too Faced Sugar Cookie Palette. I'm gonna go ahead and take this really pretty transition brown shade right here. It's like a pretty nude, and I'm gonna go ahead and just blend that really well. It's not gonna be super sharp. I don't want this look to be super sharp looking. Oh my god, it smells so good. I want to eat it. It's like the perfect transition shade. This would be like really pretty for like a natural eye too. Other eye. Now we're gonna go in with my favorite color in this palette. It is this pink one. This is my favorite because like, I mean, you can get a lot of nude palettes places, but like this color is just so unique, and I haven't really like seen a shade like this before. So I'm just gonna take that and apply it in my crease, and you can see it is already gorgeous. It's pretty. I'm gonna get some more though. And then you can kind of, I was putting in my crease, but now I'm gonna take like, and just blend it out. Take this little Bobbi Brown brush and pack it with this light pink right there, and just kind of pat that on. Kind of burn that over here too. Next, I'm gonna go in with my Stila Glitter and Glow Kitten Karma. eyeshadow. I'm almost out of it, but I saved just enough for this video. So I am just now going to apply this on my eyelid. I'm not going to go all the way over here. I'm just going to go like this. But bring it up some. It doesn't have to be perfect, honestly. And applying this much actually is going to make it super glittery. I'm going to pat that in with my finger. It works way better with your finger than a brush, I promise. I promise, promise, promise. I like mine very glittery, but if you like it less glittery, you really don't need a lot of this at all. Ooh, that's even more glitter. We're gonna add some more on that side. Hello? Wow, that's amazing. I'm gonna go in with this same palette, add this silver shimmery shade right here. I find that this works even better than highlighter. Oh my gosh. Look at that, how beautiful. I'm gonna add some also. I'm obsessed with this palette. It smells so good. Could I wear like any more glitter? I don't know. I definitely could. That was a trick question. I'm gonna take, surprise, surprise, this same palette, and I'm going to add this really pretty, it's like a mix between gold and rose gold, and I'm gonna take that, I'm gonna pack it back on this smaller brush. I'm going to apply this under the eye. Could have used a matte one if I wanted to do it darker, but I don't want it to take away from the pink. I'm going to go in with this NYX white eye and eyebrow pencil. I'm going to apply it on my waterline. It adds like a bunch of brightness to your eye. I'm going to put some brown on my brush. I'm going to apply it to the outer corner, just as close to my lash line as I can get it. I'm not going to use a black liner for this look. You can if you would like, but I want it to be really girly and soft, so I'm going to stick with a brown. I just wanna be real with you tonight. Okay, so now that I've swept this brown, I'm just gonna take my mascara, and I always use two different mascaras just because I find that the different brushes really help to give like a different look to it. I'm gonna use the Benefit They're Real mascara, and this separates my lashes really well, but this L'Oreal Voluminous mascara makes them longer. I love using this with browns, and especially when I don't have on black eyeliner because it just looks so pretty. I'm gonna go in with this one. I like to grab my eye. You got a bad reputation. People tell me your heart is cold as ice, but I think you're amazing. I will show you the art of paradise. You tell me that you as you can probably tell, it got a bit darker outside. Next, I'm gonna go in with my Estée Lauder Double Wear Lip Liner, and it is in the color Spice. I'm going to use this Maybelline SuperStay Matte Pink Lip Gloss. I'm gonna just kind of like go against the line with that, just a little above it. It's so satiny and pretty. I love using this with this lip liner. Next I'm going to go in with this Lorac lipstick, and it's called Foodie. Makes me feel like a Barbie. So I'm just going to lightly go in with that. You can see how light pink and matte it is. And I'm actually going to work it in with my finger. This lipstick is kind of hard to work with, but like once you get it, it looks amazing. The last and final step is that I'm going to use this Ulta Beauty Juice Infused Lip Gloss just right over it. And this is like a holy grail product for me. And if you don't have it, you need it. You need it. It makes my lips look so much more full. This is actually the finished look. I feel like if you are like going on a Valentine's Day brunch, or you know, you're going on like a casual date or like a picnic, I feel like this is a really good look because it's not too dramatic, but it still says like I'm flirty fun and happy Valentine's Day. Thank you guys so much for watching my first video. I'm really excited to make some more. Stay tuned for my next video, which is actually going to be a red-based Valentine's Day look. So if you want more of a dramatic, sharp, red-based look, then the next video will be the one for you. Thank you so much for watching.